this yellow banana, and I want to test if it has some reducing sugars. So I get this yellow banana, and I put it in this mortar of mine. We have a mortar here for the lab. So in this mortar, I'm going to put this yellow banana. So I'm giving a procedure. For example, for some of you, you can go in the lab and they give you yellow bananas and they ask you to confirm if those yellow bananas are having what? If those yellow bananas are having some sugar. So how do you do? They give you yellow banana, they ask you to carry out tests on those yellow bananas. What do you do? So we say you get the yellow banana, you put it, or if it's just a banana, you get it, peel it very well. Then after you have peeled it very well, you cut it into smaller pieces, you put them in a mortar, in this mortar for the lab, and then you crush it to get juice. Then from that juice is what you do, what you carry out is the test. You carry out the food test on the juice. So if I want to confirm if this yellow banana contains reducing sugars, which I do expect because the yellow banana is sweet. If it is sweet, so it means it has. So after I've gotten this mixture, tomorrow I can give you these things on your table and they say carry out food tests on them. So if you have this solution which are not in solution form, if they give you this specimen which are not in solution form, what do? So you crush them and get something which is like that. Then you can add some little water. After adding this little water, you dissolve very well like this, so that you can obtain. Of course, why you are adding water is because you want the sugars. Because we say the sugars, reducing sugars are soluble. Those sugars, we say the monosaccharides are soluble. So we expect when we add water, we expect the sugars to dissolve. But of course, you make sure that your mortar is clean. At the start, you make sure it is clean. And mine, I had washed it seriously. So after I've added this one here, now I've got the juice. So this juice, I'm going to come and extract. I extract some little juice and I put it here. So I'm going to keep this one. Even we shall carry out some other tests after. We shall carry out some other tests on it after we have looked at the food test for the rest of the things. So I have an extract. So I have now a juice. I have crushed here banana. Then I'm going to extract a small quantity of juice. I'm going to extract some little juice here. And then we are going to use that juice for other food tests. So I'm going to come and I'm going to extract some. I'm going to extract some juice from here. So this juice, I'm going to use it in other experiments too, to confirm if I eat yellow bananas, which nutrients do I get? What do I get from there? So I have this mixture here. This mixture, now this one I've done is what I'm calling extraction. So I've extracted the juice. I've extracted the juice from this yellow banana. So this juice is what I'm going to use for the other food test. So this is the juice for the yellow banana. If I can do it straight away, for the case of the food tests, which do I have reducing sugars here? I'll just come and I pick a small sample here. So I'll come and I pick a small sample here, which is equivalent to 1 centimeter cubed. A small quantity which is like that. After picking a small sample, I also pick an equal sample. I'm supposed to add an equal sample of Benedict's solution. So I have Benedict's solution. I want an equal sample of Benedict's solution. If you use 1 centimeter cubed, it's supposed to be 1 centimeter cubed. So after I have seen that I have got the same quantity, then I will come and I get this Benedict solution and I add it here. After adding it there, of course, now I have my mixture. After I come and I boil. If I come and I boil with the things done, so come with me here on my heat source here. If I come on my heat source here, heat source wants to misbehave, but if I boil here with the thing, of course here I have a solution which is blue, but of course of the yellow part, you see as if it has already turned to yellow, but it is more of blue. The yellow is because this when you check this solution, the solution is yellowish. That's why there is an aspect of yellow, but it is more of blue. So when I boil, I want to see if I boil for 1 minute, what do I observe? Will the things turn or they will remain? They will remain. Yeah, so my heat source here is misbehaving, but we are going to be able to, I'm sure there is some heat which is observed here. So yours, focus your eye here. Yeah, so when you check, the colors are now starting to turn, you see. So it was more blue, now it has already turned yellow. I hope you see it turning yellow. I'm not adding anything there. You see, of me who is near, even I can see some green aspect. Then you see yellow. Yeah, this one is not coming out very well because the mixture had some coagulants from the yellow banana. But you see the colors are turning from yellow to orange. You see, from yellow to orange. And I've told you that my heat source here has misbehaved, but there is some serious heat which is coming from there. But I hope if you are seeing, you can see that the colors are turning from blue to they are now into some parties yellow, some parties orange. So this is already a confirmation that we have got what? Reducing sugars here, because I already showed you that if you don't have reducing sugars, the colors remain what? Blue. So when you check here, you see that indeed the colors have turned. They have turned orange. So this is a confirmation that already we have reducing sugar, because it's not what we had at first. So this is already a confirmation that we have reducing sugars inside here. So this is what we have seen. So it means you have got reducing sugars within the likewise, even when you come to the pineapple. If you come to the pineapple here, the same story, we must also have some reducing sugars. We also have some reducing sugars. Why? Because you know a pineapple is sweet. So if I can come here, and I obtain a small piece here, a small piece of a pineapple like this, and then I pick. Now I'm going to use this. This one was for the yellow banana. Now this one is for the pineapple. Get this pineapple juice and I squeeze it. If I get this pineapple and I squeeze it like this, and I obtain this juice here, and I obtain this juice from here like that. Let me add another one so that I can get some, because I also need to test this pineapple for other food tests. So I also squeeze out another one. Yeah, like this. So I'm going to use this. Yeah, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this juice. So when you compare, the one for the yellow banana is more yellow. This one is somehow pale. Yes, this is somehow pale. I'm going to keep these solutions so that we use them even at the end for other food tests. So I have a solution which is from a pineapple. I expect it to be having some reducing sugar. So I will come, I pick a sample of this juice, which is equivalent to 1 centimeter cubed, and we saw where 1 centimeter cubed stops. We have, okay, I think this is slightly above 1 centimeter cubed. Yeah, then I add an equal amount. Of what? Of Benedict solution. So this is a format I'm using to ensure that I become a little bit quicker. Yeah, so I am supposed to add an equal amount of Benedict solution, yeah, which I think is that. So I get this one, this Benedict solution, I add it here. You see, I have obtained my blue solution. Then after obtaining my blue solution, I am supposed to boil it. So when I boil, I want to know, is the pineapple also having reducing sugars? If I boil it, what do I get? Is my pineapple also having reducing sugars? It must be. Why? Because we all know that pineapple is what? Pineapple is very sweet, so we expect to have reducing sugars there. So I'm going to come and I boil here. After that, my stove here has misbehaved, but you bear it with me. There is some heat source here. The heat which is coming here is enough to enable us to see observations here. So keep looking, focus your eye here on the stove here. As I try to adjust the stove here, it is really going to delay us a bit. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I think my fire has gone a bit. Yeah, I think there was a problem there. I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to rewrite it a bit. Yeah, you don't touch there directly. When you touch there directly, you will burn. Yeah, so I'm going to write it. That's why I think it was misbehaving. Yeah, I think there was a problem there. Yeah. Yeah, see, that was the problem. Yeah, so for those ones, sometimes you might be in a lab and you have those technical problems. So that's why when they're boiling, you're supposed not to be very congested because you can have that accident there. So the reason I was not having fire is because there was some challenge there, which I think I've now worked upon, and we are going to be able to see our solutions very well. Sorry for that delay. Yeah. Sorry for that delay, but I think now we are going to go on very well. Yeah, now our fire is better. Our fire is much better now, so we are going to see our observation very, very, very clearly now. So this was our solution. So when I hit it here, yeah, so now we are moving very fast. Yeah, so when I hit it, I expect the things to turn. So we had blue. When you come closer, when you enlarge your screen, yeah, enlighten your screen. If you are putting some little light, you enlarge, you put more light. Yeah, if you were in the quality which was for low quality, you can change and put the, yeah, so when you check here, you see the colors are turning. So it means in a pineapple, we also have what? Reducing sugars. So as you see here, so you see the colors turn. Even the thing has not yet boiled, but you see the colors. When the sugars are present there, you don't have even before boiling, the things will already be what? Will already be turning, as you see there. So that's already a confirmation that we have reducing sugar. So you can have very many foods, any food that you have around, if it has reducing sugars, you'll be able to see these color changes. You'll be able to see these color changes as long as there is what? So you see this one is boiling, you see, as it is boiling, you see the colors have turned. So anything, as long as it has got reducing sugars, you'll be able to see these colors turn. I hope you have experienced something. So come with me as we go into the test for non-reducing sugars. Thank you very much.